Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Nissan Versa Note guys and you're trying to remove and replace the key fob battery, stay with us, we will show you how to do that. If you guys have a key fob that looks like that, egg-shaped, it may have 3 or 4 buttons guys, the procedure will be the same. Stay with us, we will show you everything from start to finish, how to remove and replace your dead battery and make your key fob work like brand new again. Now, if you need to buy the battery or check out the battery number, we will have the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys, we share it for your convenience. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing these videos. Okay, we have the key here, so we're going to start on it and show you guys how to remove and replace that battery now. So let me show you guys what we need to do now. As you know, if your key fob battery dies guys, you can manually unlock your car by using the physical key guys, and you will need to remove that key anyways guys to remove and replace the battery. So how you do that, you slide that thing up, okay, and while we hold it up you pull the key out. You can see just like that guys, pretty simple so far. Now if you come right here, you have one notch on the side of the remote guys. If you get a small screwdriver, okay, you can pry right here between the two parts and it comes apart. Once it comes apart guys, okay, you're going to have one half with the battery, the other half will be the electronics. Now what you need to do to remove and replace the battery is simple guys, okay. I'll just go ahead and pry it up, okay, and I'll get the replacement battery. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now guys, very important how you install it. You can see that metal plate, okay, you need to go in an angle on it, okay, and push down. Okay, you can see just like that guys. Next, you need to make sure that you don't have any dust, dirt or anything like that around the seal. Align the two parts together, and once you're aligned, you start pressing in until it closes on each side. Okay, and you can hear that click guys. After that, go ahead and push your key in the hole, and at that point guys, you're ready to go. As you can see, this is guys, here you can see the key for the Nissan. That's how you guys do it. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you want to see a specific video on our channel guys, don't hesitate to leave a comment below in the under the description box guys, and that way we'll get an idea about a future video and we'll help more people with that problem. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.